Alright guys, I am going to be mounting the Leupold 45-degree mount to my AR. So first thing I got to do is move this red dot. That's a little too far forward because I want the mount to be in front of it, or technically behind this. So I already went ahead and loosened this, so it's just finger tight. And I'm actually going to be replacing this whole thing later. Alright, take that off. I want to put it right here, and I need to undo these. Okay, it's just slipped right on. Get it snug. Whoop. Throw the wrench, that's always a good thing. Okay, and tighten it down. You want to make sure that it's tight enough that it's not going to loosen while you're shooting. Worst thing that would happen is having a sight that can't maintain its zero. Okay, that feels pretty snug. Which means I can put this back on. Oh, and it actually interferes up here. I'm going to have to put it a little bit farther back than I would like. But again, it's not that big a deal because pretty soon I'm going to be replacing this. Wow. I guess it's a good thing that HIT's replacement's already in the mail because now it doesn't fit. So I may have to take this flip-up sight off. So, okay. Well, that was installing the 45-degree mount.